Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Home Decor Ideas. In this video, I'm going to show you amazing ideas of gate design. The easiest way to boost your curb appeal is to add a stunning fence and front gate. A great design will showcase your home, your garden, or a lawn. Modern grey gate design ideas. Complementing the concrete walls and floor, the steel grey gate with clean vertical lines provides average coverage, letting the outsider get a peek of the inside. Ideal for suburban homes and townhouses. Iron mesh gate design ideas. This contemporary gate provides tight security without hindering the view. The dark grey iron mesh contrasts the bright outdoors, best for garden, lawns and front yard. White laser cut gate design ideas. These are fashionable and elegant gate. This front gate is perfect for modern city townhouses designed to impress. The graceful pattern cuts perfectly balance the contemporary plans of the walls. Minimalist slider gate design ideas. Minimalist slider providing full coverage without being cumbersome. This solid gate is heavy and ideal for front gates opening to a busy street. Adding wheels make it easy to move. The modern minimalist design is sleek as it is striking. Cedar wood farmhouse gate design ideas. For grand entrance, this cedar wood farmhouse gate provides all the dream, the charm and magnificence of the countryside. The stacked stone posts complete the rustic vibe of the design. Aluminium screen gate design ideas. The aluminium screen gate provides maximum security while allowing a peep from both sides. Great design for front gates of city homes, garden and suburban front lawns. Gothic wood gate design ideas. Wood is a common feature in many front gate ideas and design. This impressive and massive wood gate enhances the beauty of your home. The imposing dark wood panels and complemented with black steel fittings. Entrance and pergola gate design ideas. Adding a pergola to your front gate easily boosts your home's curb appeal. This modern steel and concrete combination is minimalist and efficient. The pergola holds the lighting while a mesh panel is integrated for safe peek. Frosted glass gate. Using glass for front gate is a novel and rare idea, but this cutting-edge design that incorporates frosted glass with steel is striking and graceful in its simple lines. Timeless wrought iron gate design ideas. The classic and graceful iron gates are here to stay. Charming wrought iron gates are fully customized and cheap. Perfect when you have a great front yard and garden to show off. Home and entrance matching gate design ideas. This modern gate is designed to match the houses, matching the fence and gate design with the house. Integrate the look and style. Best for suburban homes or city houses where you want to make an impression. Timber and metal gate design ideas. Timber and metal create a great front gate look. rustic, elegant, and timeless. This gate provides maximum coverage and security and will easily match any home style and design. White wood gate design. When you need maximum security and still want your gate to look welcoming, the impressive entrance is secure. Painting it white tones down the imposing look, while the slot designs provides a good view from either side. Contemporary wrought iron gate ideas. A great update look of the classic iron fence and gate instead of the curves and lat design. This one went minimalist and current with clean lines and fewer trims. City black gate design ideas. This townhouse front gate design is eye-catching yet secure, perfect for suburban homes where foot traffic is heavy. The solid wall provides the needed privacy, while the black steel gate softens the look and adds a chic vibe. Aluminium horizon gate design ideas. When you want good coverage without totally blocking the view, this contemporary aluminum drive-away gate is perfect. The sleek grey metal shine complements the modern grey tones of the fence and home. Rustic wood square gate design. The best front gate ideas and design never go out of style. Traditional and magnificent, this is grand entrance, a fitting precedent to a magnificent home. With lots of character, the gate is welcoming and impressive. Laser cut metal gate design ideas. The simplicity of this gate design is what makes it striking and remarkable. Bare metal sheets, precious and traditional, and latch. The design is inspiring, affordably classy. Wood and stone gate design ideas. A great combination of modern and charming. This wood and stone gate is stunning, using a lot of natural elements such as wood, stone, and concrete. The modern design also comes with a mesh steel panel top, non-touch design in look and in functionality. Vertical pipe gate design ideas. When you want to go for the extraordinary and impressive curb appeal, this chrome pipe fence and gate will certainly catch all the attention. The material will last a long time, making this edge gate also a practical choice. Cottage white picket fence gate design ideas. This white picket fence gate is ideal for front lawns, entrance and front yard with garden, and as the white perfectly complement the intense greens and vibrant colors. Drive-away metal screen gate design ideas. This ultra-modern design provides just the right degree of privacy, a great look and maximum security. The roll-up design is also space efficient and ideal for city homes and townhouses. Tuscan barn doors gate design ideas. These gates are warmly welcoming and charming. It is also dependable. This classic gate befits a happy home, warm weather or good times. The metal ring handle and stamp, the faithful and classic design. Stone, strong material and designed to last. The side screen allow a view of the outside, while the solid wood panels provide the needed privacy. Mid-century modern gate design ideas. This gate evoke a lot of mid-century modern designs. The steel and wood combination are romantic and charming. Staked stone posts and gravel driveway add a lot of rustic vibes to the design. In this video, I have shown you at least 40 different designs and variety of gate. I hope that you also like these ideas. Please hit on the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching the video.